things will look totally different if you look at it at any other magnification. Okay, okay, so you can see the free space in 3 of these 4 sections. This particular section is magnified so much that you can't see the free space that would be right here. Okay? But this, for example, would be the kind of tissue that lines the fallopian tubes, or the kind of tissue that lines the tubes in the respiratory tract, like the bronchial tubes, the bronchi, the trachea. All right? Have you ever noticed that you always have to swallow from time to time? You know why that is? Because you have this kind of tissue, and every now and then you have cells that look like a wine glass. They will be called goblet cells. And those goblet cells are the ones that make a substance called mucus. And they will secrete the mucus so that the mucus is on top of these hair-like cilia. And the cilia will constantly beat in a given direction. All right? And so this is an arrangement that will move a fluid past these stationary cells. Can you think of 2 places where you might find this kind of tissue? All right, before you get to the mouth, but in everything leading to the mouth. All right, that is the windpipe, the trachea itself, the tubes coming from the lungs, the bronchi and the bronchioles, okay? And the goblet cells are making mucus, and this tissue is sweeping the mucus up toward the mouth.
The maxillary sinuses? Would it be in the maxillary sinuses?
I'm not sure if it's in those sinuses, if it clears those sinuses, you know. I'm not sure, just not sure, okay? But definitely in the respiratory tract you can find it. And it would bring it up pretty far, such that you would swallow it. All right? And this is why you have to swallow periodically. Okay. Okay. Now, in this image, if you look at this whole image, the free space would be up here. Can you see where the basement membrane is? Where you get a sudden change in the type of tissue that you're looking at.
Yeah.
All right, you got this kind of tissue, and then something different here. And so this would be the basement membrane approximately here. Okay? Looking at this tissue, what would this represent? The free space. And then you got this kind of tissue and then something different over here. And so notice it's not a clear-cut line, but in here approximately would be the basement membrane. But this is the technique that you would go about identifying the different tissues. Look for these kinds of details. All right, in the kidney tubules, for example,